Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah, this is our final project, and I think the dark part, our teammate wanted to make it bright and have mowing birds in it to make it look brighter. So we just added a bright background. We changed it from dark to bright, and they also wanted to give notify or notifications. So we have some of the important notifications about our Earth and what we should be doing to preserve things. Could see here. Yeah, and as I said in the last class, here, yeah, here we have echo score. Whenever we start playing the game, yeah, you could see the even the we also added pop-up informations in it. So if we take this, it takes to take down the one pet bottle, it takes 25,000 microsheds. Yeah, this is what we did. And if we go to cardboard, it says toxic methane if left wet. If in the case the cardboard is left wet and it gives off the uh, toxic methane. Yeah, we added some of the pop-up informations there, and this one is about our value, whatever it says here. Um, yeah, whatever it says here, whatever we have collected will be recorded in it. Like we have saved 5.4 kgs of carbon dioxide and 2.45 liters of water, and we have saved landfill of 0.030 meter cube and micro shed split prevented at 75,000. And yeah, this is what the things, whatever we have collected till now. And the main idea was to do sustainable game, and we went on giving information for it, so it doesn't be a fun, and it also be very informative. And we have some of the grim ecological realities. Here we have like unseen egestion. Over 90% of our all seabirds alive today have synthetic plastic fragments locked permanently inside their digestive tracts. We have some of the harsh realities which are caused due to the pollution. So if the person who's playing the game and seeing the project sees these things, and it may even influence them to stop doing such pollutions. That is the main thing. We added the grid realities here, and we have here marine toxicity, which is about what is the toxicity in the marine, in the water. And we have system defects, which is the defect caused by the industrial works. So it is like take, make, and waste. So people take it and use it and waste it. So it is a type of giving the person to recycle things. We have here in the system defects and marine toxicity to reduce the pollution in water. And this is about the game whole part. And here it is about the harsh realities. Yeah, and that's it. And once you reach the target goal of 100, the game stops working, and you will be reaching your goal. The target goal is 100. Yeah, that's it. That was all about our tracker and sustainable data hub.
Yeah. So good. And the design is more fancy than last time, and more the the gamification is better than last time. And how do you feel after all of the class? Can you share your thoughts?
Yeah, working with in my team, we had Parinaya, myself, Priya ma'am, and another person from Solomon's University. We had a lot of fun working together, and Parinaya and all the mates helped me to design the whatever output we wanted. And in the first two classes, we faced a lot of difficulties in deciding a project because we wanted to make something funnier and which gives fun for people, but we were not getting an idea what to actually create. And we started getting a clear point from our second class, where we started to get the ideas, and we contrib all the person in the team contributed their own ideas, and we came to a final conclusion that we should be creating uh, this app. And we started building the outline first, and then on moving on to the designs. Then we just worked on designs and asked each one of the person to say what design they want, and we transformed the whole thing to the preference of the team. And I felt so good working with such a good team, and they were so supportive to me. And yeah, they were so supportive to me. And yeah, that's it. And
Yeah.
thank you for a sustainable team for working with me.
Yeah.
Uh, Hello, I will now begin the presentation for Entertainment Team A. Our project was to build an entertainment app. Today, instead of unlocking your smartphone to mindlessly scroll, we would like to introduce MindPlay, a smart entertainment platform where you can awaken your brain and calm your mind in just one single minute. MindPlay is a mindful entertainment app that combines exciting brain challenges with deep mindfulness, helping anyone of all ages joyfully build and record a healthy daily routine. Um, this is the prompt we used when creating the app. We went through the process of editing and refining it through our team meetings. And this is the resulting product we had completed up until last time. So in this version, we actively incorporated the feedback we received during our previous presentation. We have made the app's purpose and user experience much more intuitive and robust, moving away from what was somewhat abstract or vague in the existing version. First, visual comfort. We placed a theme toggle button directly at the top of the screen so that users can seamlessly switch between the bright, vivid light mode and deep, calming dark mode. Second, clarifying previous ambiguities in our guidelines. To help users of all age groups easily immerse themselves, we newly added a personal assistant guide system along with the ability to choose and set your own character avatar class, bringing a touch of comforting wisdom and useful fun, like this app. And third, strengthening motivation by reinforcing cozy daily conversation offered by the guide characters and a daily rotating video cast. We made brain cognitive training and mindfulness, which can often feel intimidating, naturally fun and accessible. So, in conclusion, MindPlay turns 1 to 3 minutes of spare time into a golden window to efficiently train your brain while restarting inner peace. With no complex controls required, we believe it will become the perfect healing partner for everyone. So with this, I will end my presentation. Thank you.
So perfect. And can you share your thoughts after all these classes?
Uh, mm, First of all, it was nice to meet my Indian friends. I got an idea that was new and I didn't think of. And communication was a little difficult because of the difference in language, but I think it was a meaningful time.
For me, mm, mm,
Actually, me and madam we did last week this project. Actually, she did very well. See, we got the code from the Cloud AI tool. Then we have to put all the coding to the VS Code, and we can get these applications with the help of these applications. So we have to give some entertainment to the students. That's why we are planning according to our Korean and also Indian languages.
Can you see my computer? Okay, thank you. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. I wanna introduce Versit, a smart spending tracker we built. Most budgeting apps just show you how much you spent, but Versit tells you whether it was actually worth it. So I'll show you the dashboard view. The dashboard gives you a full monthly overview, income, expense, and net savings, and impulse spending at a glance. With charts breaking down your spending by category and month. Like this, you can see the monthly income and expense and net saving and the impulse spendings. And we developed the UI. You can see the graph on here. Okay, the next tab is transactions. In transactions tab, every purchase shows two extra things: a regret risk score, predicting how likely you are to regret this buy, and a labor hours column, which converts the price into extra hours of work. You can see like this column. If you buy this coffee, 3 coffees, it takes 53 minutes, which is you have to labor. You have to work. And the next step is spending patterns. The patterns page visualize your habits, impulse or planned spending. How small purchase like coffee accumulates over time, and which day of the work you tend to overspend. Like this, January and February, we don't have the data. We have it is starts March, and you can see the data. On the May, you plan this spend like this, and the impulse spend, it was like this. Also, you can see your how much you spend on the weekdays. Also, we can see the category spendings and the labor hours. You can see the sneaker or grocery, how much you have to work. Like like this, you can see how much you have to work. We have some of data because we connect with the Spark-based data app, the database. And the Versit tab. This is the most important feature of this project. The What If tab answers what if I haven't bought that? Enter any amount and it shows what you'd have if you'd invest it instead. There's also a category emulator cut out on spending category and see the 5-year impact. This is total impulse spending, and if you invest this amount of money, you can get like this money. Yes, like this. And also we can type on here like this. We can get the data, but we already put in. And the last picture at goals and monthly budget, I will show you. The Goals tab lets you set saving targets with deadlines. The app tells you in real time whether you're on track, at risk, or off track based on your actual spending. this is, you can add the goal, which one is like Japan trip and how much you want to save. And you can reach the goal. And the monthly budget tab lets you set limits per category: grocery, transport, entertainment, and drugs. How close you are to each limit throughout the month. Like this. Also, you can set the budget. Yeah. So we built the worksheet page with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Superbase for the database. I show you the database like this. We put in some data in here. The key idea is very simple. Spend less by understanding the real cost of what you buy. In time, not
지금 그 화면이 그 윈도우가 안 보여가지고 슈퍼베이스 혹시 그걸 보여주신 게 맞을까요? 그 관리자 화면.
네, 맞아요.
네, 그게 안 보여가지고 가능하시면 혹시 체인지 해주실 수 있나 해서.
잠시만요. 해야지. Like this. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Yes. We put in some data in here. Okay. So, okay. Actually, that's all. We are finished. I really had a great time with our team co-workers. And also, I really appreciate to the Leo. He gives me the feedback very fastly. And also the other Korean students, we met sometimes after class. We made very, yeah. So thank you for the other student and also our team co-workers and also not teacher, the advisor. Thank you so much.
Confirm you guys can see my screen. Everything's visible. Okay, cool. So our idea was to create a platform where people with ideas but can share their ideas, but when in case they have very less funding, they can showcase their ideas, and interested people can donate to the inventors, as we call them. So you can see 3 demo ideas up there. Let's say these were 3 different people showcasing their own ideas. The first one, apparently they asked for about $1,500 and they got it. And let's say you liked the middle idea. So you would, let's say, how much do you want to donate? Anyone, you can give me a number. $100, $200, $300, give me a number.
500.
Sorry? 500?
Yes.
Okay. So let's say you would type in 500 and then you would click donate. Then that would get added. Since we haven't connected any actual payment processor, well, if we deploy it, we're going to connect a payment processor and you can give your card details or you can even do online payment. That's for future. And if you really like that, you can just like it. And this will show up in your profile, project selectors 1. So you can store your projects separately if you like them. So you have a different section. Let's say you yourself wanted to launch an idea. Let's say I got an idea. Let's call it maglev trains. These are like super fast bullet trains in Japan. So let's say I wanted to create a project regarding that. I would just type my project title in. then give it some description. Anyone want to give some description regarding trains? On? I know you guys love trains. No one? Okay. We'll get something funny. Let's consider it to be Bangalore and what do you want? Bangalore and Delhi. Something like that. You give it a random project description. If you had to attach any image, you could. If you had to attach a YouTube video, you could. Now, I have a link, YouTube video link ready with me. So you could just paste that in. Target goal amount, let's say I wanted about $10,000. I just put in and then I will just click on launch idea. And then if you go to browse ideas, you'll see this page for maglev trains. And I even included a YouTube video link, a random YouTube video link. Now you can watch that. Now, in this video, you could include stuff about your project, you explaining your project or anything regarding it. And let's say I really liked it and I wanted to share it with someone else. I will click share. You can either copy a share link or you could get a QR code. You can scan it, send it to your friends, or take a screenshot, send it to your friends, and they would be able to access the same project, perhaps even donate to the same thing. Again, you come to your profile, you'll get your details, project created, projects liked. Here you can see the liked projects. And then if you have donated to something, that would also pop up here. And then your own projects. So that's basically it. We wanted to create a platform where people who don't have enough funds but have a lot of ideas can post their ideas and work on them and hopefully make their ideas or dreams into a reality. That's basically it. Yeah, so it was pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, but communication was a big challenge for us. But for us to overcome it and create a project, so yeah, that was basically a learning point for me. And then we generally had fun creating the project, even though we couldn't like communicate properly. We used to send messages and then translate it and then have fun. So yeah, really enjoyed it.
I think this class was very fun and we got to learn about new things and get to know more people here in WeJump. And hey, I think the classes were really fun and it was good.
Thank you for sharing your idea. And this is Sri.
Yeah, sister, this meeting and this class is very fun, and I have learned many things in this class, and this Women's University people communication and our communication is very good. We understand, and our project is good, and this class is very fun, sister.
Thank you for sharing your thought. This is Sri and Abhishek.
This class was the last. This class is the last class of a vibe coding. The thing that I want to share that is that during the vibe coding classes or the project weeks that we are working on is that AI can do anything, but the modification or the ideas that we give is what it proceeds with. So with this, we got new ideas to implement with, and through this AI, we can also implement ourselves in our knowledge that we are like implementing ourselves also. In these vibe coding sessions, we get to know more people, teach them about some of the vibe coding skills. Then after implement a project with them, like developed more collaborative skills.
Thank you for teaching the vibe coding to us. It is very interesting and very funny. After this learning, our student, I means our champions are ready to teach the other champions. Already they started. Our Diksha has already started our school student. So they are creating their own website. It is very interesting. Thank you and grateful to you, ma'am.